In this video, we will learn how to take off the drone. First, we can start from one key takeoff. Press the button here and it will hover up automatically. Then push the left stick for flying up and down. Left spin and right spin. Then the right stick for forward, backward, left sideward fly, and right sideward fly. The default speed is low speed. To make it faster, press the button here. After 2 beeping sounds, it will enter high-speed fly. To take image, click the camera and wait for 1 beeping sound. To record video, keep pressing the video and start shooting. To return the drone back home, just press the 1 key return button. And to stop it, press the button once again, and it will be hovering in place. When it's headless mode, it moves when we first set the gyroscope calibration, and the left stick controls forward, backward, left and right flights. To land it, we can press the 1 key landing button. If there is something emergency or it is out of control suddenly, there is an emergency button for landing too.